Why are you on still without the swimming whistle, but I am not?
You can go swimming with her.
No, I wanna. This is I'm there with you to walk.
It's not for kids to play. I'm up here so she doesn't get in that way. Splash her. Splash Trixie.